video.
Recording in progress.
फैन यास्मीन आवाज आ रही?
हाँ आ रही मैम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम, आ रही ना आवाज हमारी?
हाँ ओके तो अब तुम चलो स्क्रीन शेयर करते।
हाँ मैम पूरी स्क्रीन शेयर कर दी मैं अभी।
स्क्रीन शेयर
कैमरा
करो।
ऑन करें।
रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू कर रहे हैं तो रिकॉर्डिंग तुम शुरू कर लो, स्टार्ट हो जाओ।
स्क्रीन शेयर करो। अरे मैम स्क्रीन आई?
आगे
स्टार्ट करूं मैम?
करो।
I am Yasmin Begum Sheikh Nawaz. My guide name is Dr. Ansari Nayab Tahir ma'am, Sir Syed College, Aurangabad. My research topic is effect of certain plant extract on carbohydrate metabolism of Barytalfusa guerini crab. Abstract: India has a great wealth of various naturally occurring plant drugs which have a great potential pharmaceutical activities. The Datura stramonium is one of the most widely well-known medicinal herbs. The troublesome weeds. Datura stramonium is the plant both poisonous and medicinal properties and has been proven to have a great pharmaceutical potential with a great utility and usage uh, in folklore medicines. Datura stramonium has been scientifically proven to contain alkaloid, tannin, carbohydrate and proteins. मैम आवाज आ रही ना हमारी?
आ रही।
This plant has contributed various pharmaceutical activities in the scientific field of human health system of medicines like analgesic and anti-asthmatic activities. The present paper presents an exclusive work on the use of plant Datura stramonium, which is poisonous in nature. The toxicity evaluation in a freshwater crab, Barytalfusa guerini. Keywords: biodiversity, toxicology, Datura stramonium, freshwater crab. Next one is introduction. The Indian geographical region is rich with a plant diversity. Generally, each plant having its own biological importance. This natural resource must be considered and utilized the human benefits. By considering this fact, the present investigation is aimed to study the effect of common plant Datura stramonium. This plant is highly poisonous plants, even though it has a much medicinal value. Hence, for present investigation, the extract of Datura stramonium is used to study the toxicity evaluation of freshwater crab, Barytalfusa guerini, has been studied in detail. Next one is materials and methods. The freshwater crab, Barytalfusa guerini, were collected through the local fishermen and brought to a laboratory. The crab were acclimatized for 7 days in an aquarium. Standard procedure we followed for feeding and maintaining of crab. Healthy crab, which shows active movements, were selected for toxicant test. The crab ranging from 50 to 60 grams were selected and subjected in above extract. The desired concentration of aqueous extract of Datura stramonium was prepared by using 100 gram of Datura leaves in 100 ml of distilled water. 10 crab individuals were tested in each concentration and control without toxicant was also run simultaneously. Okay, ma'am?
Yes. Okay, continue.
observation and results. Acute toxicity of Dhatura plant extract was evaluated in a short-term test of 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, 96 hours respectively. During the experiment, mortality was not observed in a control group, and in experimental group, the mortality recorded in every 24 hours. The recorded mortality tabulated in the table and LC50 values determined graphically by probit mortality versus log concentration by probit analysis method. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Now we will inform about the table and LC50. We will determine the LC50. When we firstly, ma'am, when we put 10 crabs in a 5 ml concentration of Dhatura leaves and observe after 24 hours, no crab died. After 48 hours, no crab died. After 72 hours, no crab died. But after the 96 hour, one crab died. So the total animal died in a 5 ml of concentration of Dhatura leaves is 1. So the mortality rate in a 5 ml concentration of Dhatura leaves is 10%. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
When we put 10 crabs in a 10 ml of Dhatura leaves and observe after 24 hours, no crab died. After 48 hours, no crab died. 72 hours. But in 72 hours, one crab died, and 96 after 96 hour, one crab died. So the total crab died at 10 ml of Dhatura leaves concentration is 2. So the mortality rate in 10 ml is 20%. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
When we put 10 crabs in a 15 ml of concentration Dhatura leaves, then observe after the 24 hours, one crab died. After 48 hours, no crab died. After 72 hours, one crab died. After 96 hours, one crab died. And so the total crab died in a 15 ml is 3. So the mortality is 30%. When we put the 10 crab in a 20 ml of Dhatura leaves and observe after the 24 hours, one crab died. After 48 hours, one crab died. After 72 hours, no crab died, ma'am. After 96 hours, two crab also died. Two crab also died. So in our 20 ml of Dhatura leaves, total animal died are 4. So the mortality rate is 40%. In a 25, when we put the 10 crabs in a 25 ml of Dhatura leaves, then and observe after 24 hours, one crab died. After 48 hours, two crab died. And after 72 hours, no crab died. And after 96 hours, one crab died. It's the same as a 20 ml. Total concentration is 40%, ma'am. Total animal died are 4, and concentration its percent mortality rate is 40%. When we put 10 crabs in a 30 ml, then after 24 hours, one crab are died, and 48 hours, 1, 72 hours, 1, thus and 96 hours, 2. Thus the total animal died are 5. So the mortality rate is 50. We determined LC50, ma'am, in 30 ml water, 30 ml concentration,
Okay.
which is 50%. Okay, ma'am. Like this, when we put the 10 ml, when 10 crabs in a 35 ml concentration, observe after the 24 hours, one crab died. 48 hours, two crab died. 72 hours, one crab died. 96 hours, two crab died. The total animals which is was 6. So the percentage is 60%. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
After 40 ml, when we put 10 crabs in a 40 ml, then after 24 hours, 2 crab died. After 48 hours, 2 crab died. 72 hours, also 2 crab died. And 96 hours, 1 crab died. So the total crab died is 7. So thus the mortality rate is 70%. When we put the 10 crabs in a 45 ml, then 24, observe after 24 hours, 3 crabs was died, ma'am. After 48 hours, 2 crabs was died. After 72 hours, 2 crabs are died. And after 96 hours, no crab died, ma'am. So the total crab died is 7, ma'am. Percentage will be 80%.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. After we put the 10 crabs in a 50 ml of datura leaves, observe after 24 hours, 2 crab died. After 48 hours, 3 crab died. After 72 hours, 3 crab died. So the total mortality rate, we have got the total mortality rate is 90%. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
In this observation, we have got the LC50 in 30 ml concentration. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The LC50 values of 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, and 96 hours of Dhatura estromonium leaves on freshwater crab, Battlefusa guirini were 50 ml, 45 ml, 40 ml, and 35 ml respectively. Now we will discuss our discussion. Continue. The present investigation is aimed to be study the effect of Dhatura estromonium of freshwater crab Battlefusa guirini. The lethal concentration where 50% animal were died in 30 ml of concentration. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
The result were compared with normal sets. No one died in normal set, ma'am.
Okay.
The medicinal properties of herbs depends on the presence of an active compound including alkaloid, tannins, halanoids, sphenoids, phenolic compound. मैम डिस्कशन पूरा पढ़ूं क्या नहीं?
मेन टॉपिक पॉइंट्स पढ़ लो उसमें क्या
अमेंडमेंट पॉइंट्स. Okay, ma'am. It has been reported to contain alkaloid, atropine, hyoscyamin, and scopolamine, carbohydrates, and proteins. Sony et al. 2012. Many plants contain chemical which have been employed to collect fish and also to monitor various pests in almost all parts of the world. Sony et al. 2012. The earlier study, chloroperophos, showed myrcene and paxonopic nuclei. Okay, ma'am. Acknowledgement.
Okay.
Now we will study about acknowledgement. The first author owes thanks to the principal of Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. Then I would like to say thanks to my guide, Dr. Ansari Nayab, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Stop this screen sharing. Stop the recording. Stop this screen sharing.
Stop.
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप नहीं हुई
नहीं नहीं मैम, अभी करें।
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर लो। तो फिर अभी यास्मीन हो गया ना, अब रिकॉर्डिंग अब करना क्या है, देखो उसका कोई फॉर्मेट है शायद कुछ।
हाँ हाँ मैम, उसको अपलोड करना है यूट्यूब पर।
कंपलसरी है क्योंकि दूसरे गाइड्स ने तो नहीं किए थे अपलोड। पूछ लो एक बार तुम किसी से, किसी ने अपलोड किए क्या, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से अपलोड का नहीं है, खाली वो फोटोज
ये मैं लेटर सेंड करती हूँ मैम आपको,
इंट्रोडक्शन का
जो लेटर
लास्ट के
दिया
दो
हुआ है
का
ना,
हम्म।
तो वो वाला लेटर आपको
तो
सेंड
ठीक
करती
है,
हूँ
जो
मैम।
फॉर्मेट है लेके परसों आ जाओ।
परसों
परसों
फॉर्मेट लेके
सेंड
आ
करते
जाओ।
हैं। दूसरा ये कि तुम 17 तारीख दिन, हाँ, हफ्ते सैटरडे के दिन 12:30 बजे आ जाओ। 12:30 बजे साइन दे देते तुमको, ठीक है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
सब
ठीक है
कंप्लीट
ठीक है।
करके लेके आ जाओ, बस दे देते सारे, ठीक है।
हाँ हाँ, तो मैम हो
ठीक
रहा
है,
क्या,
चलो
अच्छे से
ठीक है,
वर्क हो
अल्लाह
रहा
हाफिज,
क्या
अल्लाह
आपका थोड़ा?
हाफिज। हो रहा सब आराम से, सब चैन से करके आओ, ठीक है। चल आ जाओ फिर, चलो अल्लाह हाफिज,
थैंक
अल्लाह
यू
हाफिज।
मैम। लिटरेचर रिव्यू के वास्ते उन्होंने बोल रहे कि पेपर सेकेंड में जो है तो 50 लिटरेचर्स लेना पड़ेगा, उसमें से फिर रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर आपको लिखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर रहता है। आवाज आ रही मेरी?
हाँ आ रही मैम, आ रही है।
हाँ, तो रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर देना ही पड़ता है वो। देख कर
हाँ
उसको आराम से, परेशान मत हो, ये हो गया तो आराम से लिखना हो जाता है, इसके लिए परेशान मत हो, ठीक है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये अपने
चलो चलो ठीक है।
प्रेजेंटेशन के फॉर्मेट में रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर बना के दो बोले मैम।
हाँ तो फिर ठीक है, कर लो आराम से। कब तक सबमिट करना है, सबमिट कब तक करना है?
सबमिट ये फर्स्ट पेपर का 22 तक है मैम, डेट बढ़ाए उन्होंने, 22 तक बोले।
अच्छा अच्छा, फिर कर दो,
और
टाइम है 4-5 दिन और एक हफ्ता और है।
है अभी है। और दूसरे
तो
जो
करके फिर
क्वेश्चंस
कर।
थे, क्वेश्चंस भी कितने थे मैम, पूरे टोटल 11 क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो उसमें से
हम्म,
रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर का पहला है, और दूसरे
हाँ
10 क्वेश्चंस जो है तो उसके पूरे हैंड रिटन है, तो पूरे लिख के निकाल दी समझो।
हाँ,
तो वो क्वेश्चन के
कर लो
आंसर्स
फिर
वही
आराम
सब
से।
हो गए।
हो गया ना, चलो ठीक है, फिर जो बच गया है हफ्ते से लाल पे मैं साइन स्टैम्प सबको दे देते फिर, ठीक है।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो संडे को आने का ना मैम?
नहीं, हफ्ते 17 तारीख,
हफ्ते के
17 तारीख हफ्ते
17 तारीख को?
12:30 बजे कॉलेज में। सत्रह
अच्छा
तारीख
अच्छा,
कॉलेज में, ठीक है। चलो
17 तारीख
ठीक है,
को ना
अल्लाह,
कॉलेज में? अच्छा ठीक है, अल्लाह
चलो
हाफिज,
ठीक, अल्लाह
जजाकल्ला
हाफिज, अल्लाह हाफिज,
जजाकल्ला। अल्लाह हाफिज।